Are Bluetooth speakers still worth it in 2018? With smart speakers like Google Home or Amazon Alexa's offering, more and more speakers come out with built-in assistants, giving them a hedge over regular Bluetooth speakers. You see more of them pop up, like this Sony speaker that comes with the Google Assistant. This gives them a lot of features like the possibility to control them via multiple music streaming apps, being able to sync multiple speakers, control the audio in multiple rooms, and much more. So why someone should still consider a Bluetooth speaker in today's smart speaker market? Well, I was provided with Blitzwolf's latest Bluetooth speaker, the AS1, and we'll try to answer that question in today's video. But first, I'll show you what this speaker is all about. It was originally available through Kickstarter as a crowdfunding campaign, but was then available for everyone on Banggood. It retails for about $80 as of the time of filming. At first, I have to say that they got the box right. It feels super sturdy and looks really good. In the box, you get the speaker itself, a micro USB cable to charge it, and a 3.5mm audio cable if you want to bypass the Bluetooth connection. The speaker is made out of anodized aluminum and it looks awesome, especially near other brushed aluminum accessories. Okay, so this little guy really wants some cuddles, so you might hear him purr during the rest of the video. It has nice chamfered edges and the overall build quality is amazing. It has a nice weight to it and it feels like you have something solid in your hand. There are two rubber pads under the speaker so that it doesn't move around, and at the back there are a few openings where most of the bass will come out. And in terms of ports, you get an auxiliary input and a micro USB port to charge the speaker. On top you get a power button alongside a play pause button and volume buttons. These seem to be made out of the same material as the chassis, but I can't tell easily. They feel great overall though, and I don't think they will break over time. Also, these buttons dubs as next and previous buttons, and they will let you answer or block a call. Overall, the build quality is amazing. My only gripe with it is that my unit seems to have misaligned holes in the front grille. When I look at the product's pictures or even other people's own pictures of the speaker, the holes seem to be perfectly aligned with each other. I guess it's a little manufacturing problem. It has no impact on the sound quality or anything like that, but it's worth noting as it doesn't look as great as it could. In terms of audio, the speaker features two 10-watt drivers providing stereo sound. The opening at the back lets bass come out, so it results in a quite bass-heavy speaker for its size. It won't rival against a standalone subwoofer, but it sounds quite full overall. The sound quality is great and the sound signature is balanced. I will have a little sound test and sound comparison by the end of the video, so stay tuned. Hey guys, Editing Simon here. I just wanted to add a few points. So as I said before, the sound is well balanced, but the highs are a bit missing since there's no tweeters, but that's to be expected on a Bluetooth speaker, so you will hear mostly the mid bass and the mids. Another point to mention is that the back rattles a bit when there are tight bass hits. Fortunately, it's not really audible from the front and it will highly depend on the music you like. And finally, there's a sound when you turn on and off the speaker. And it's quite intense, so it might get annoying in the long run. Being a portable speaker, it also features a battery, and that's a 5200 mAh battery. Blitzwolf claims that it should last for 7 to 11 hours depending on the volume, and I can't confirm this as the battery hasn't died on me yet. You can also use it non-stop by letting it plugged in, that way it never runs out of juice. So by now you might still think that smart speakers are better than Bluetooth speakers. Well, the big advantage with the latter is the portability factor. As you probably know already, smart speakers require a Wi-Fi connection to work, which has its benefits, but it also has its limits. Some of them have a built-in battery and Bluetooth connectivity such as the JBL Link 20, which are somewhat of a hybrid, but most of them are meant to be kept at home. You can't bring one of these at a party and let anyone easily connect their phone or laptop to it. Being Wi-Fi speakers, they often also don't have a built-in battery, which complicates things on the go. So now you need a power plug and you need to connect both the speaker and your phone to a nearby Wi-Fi network to make it work. Another point to consider is that connecting a phone to a Bluetooth speaker lets you use it as the main sound output for your phone, whatever you do with it. You don't need the app that you want to use to be compatible with the Chromecast standard, as an example. And that can be a really nice bonus if you want to use a speaker to watch YouTube videos on your phone. As of now, you can't cast the audio to a Chromecast audio-enabled device, but it works with a Bluetooth speaker. And finally, the good thing is that if you want to use your Bluetooth speaker as a Chromecast enabled speaker, you can always buy a Chromecast audio and connect it to the auxiliary port of your speaker. That way, you get the best of both worlds. As a general rule of thumb, I'd say that if you plan on keeping it at home, a smart speaker might be the better choice. But if you want something that you can use anywhere, then a Bluetooth speaker is the way to go. And this Blitzwolf AS1 is a pretty interesting option. And before we end this video, here's a little sound comparison, including various speakers. I will have an affiliate link down in the description, so feel free to check it out if you plan on buying this speaker and want to support the channel at the same time. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit the like button if you did, and if you didn't, just let me know what I should change down in the comments below. Otherwise, don't forget to subscribe if you still haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video.